Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's learn and grow together. Today, we have a heartwarming story about family, school, and teamwork. Let's begin. Okay, I am ready for the parent meeting today. Notebook, pen, and a relaxed spirit.
Honey, you look great. But should I go with you? It's an important meeting.
No, Ethan, relax. Please stay home with Leo and Maya. Someone needs to watch the kids.
Okay, but do you think they are in trouble?
Don't worry, Dad. I'm a smart student. The teacher loves me. And I finished all my homework.
That's my good kids.
You see, they are angels. Wish me luck. I'm going now. I'll be back with good news.
Good luck with the teacher, honey.
Excuse me, teacher. May I come in? Good morning, Mrs. Grace. Please come in and have a seat. Hello, teacher. I'm a little nervous. How are Maya and Leo doing? Hello. They're both doing very well. Don't worry. Let's start with good news. First, Maya. Look at these grades. Wow, all A grades? Yes. Maya is hardworking and very helpful. Everyone loves her. She always supports her friends and even helps me. However, I am a little worried. Worried? Why? Maya is very shy. She is not confident in front of the class. One day, she had a beautiful drawing, but she was too scared to present it. She draws wonderfully, but she needs to be brave. I see. Maybe she should join an art class or a life skills club. Yes, that will help her confidence grow. These ideas are fantastic, really innovative. You think so? Absolutely. Let's make it happen. Now, Leo, is he in trouble? Well, Leo is very smart. He knows the answer to every question, but he has too much energy. He cannot sit still. He finishes his test early and starts talking. He asks many questions. Do ants sleep? Why is the cloud white? Do fish drink water? His curiosity is wonderful, but he needs discipline. He must learn the right time to speak. Maybe sports and puzzle games will help him focus. That's a great idea. Parents and teachers working together, that's how children grow. Thank you, teacher. I promise to guide them.
Mom is coming home. I hope she's happy.
Hello, everyone. I'm back.
Did the teacher say I'm smart?
Why do you look serious? Just kidding. Good news. The teacher loves you both.
Yay!
But you both have a small problem.
A problem?
Leo, asking questions is great. It makes you smart. But you must not disturb others. Can you do that?
Yes, Mom. I'm sorry. I will focus in class.
And Maya, my sweet girl, you must speak more. Your voice is important. Maybe you can join a skill class? Painting? Drama?
Yes, I will try. I want to be brave.
And Leo, Dad will take you to football practice every weekend.
Real?
Yes, sports will help you use your energy wisely. I promise to do better.
Let's have a big family hug. Good morning, team. Look at this room. It's so messy.
Don't worry. Today is spring cleaning day.
Here are the rules. 3 boxes. Keep, donate, trash.
3 boxes?
If you don't use something for 3 months, it goes out.
But Mom, I love all my things. Watch me. Old newspaper, trash. Okay, goodbye, little car.
What is this?
Oh, my old game controller.
Be a good example.
Okay, goodbye, old friend. Wow, my new toy car.
Now let's clean the window. Spray.
Newspaper.
Wow, it worked.
Breathe in.
My room looks amazing. And we have boxes to donate. A clean space makes a happy face.
Parents, remember, work with teachers. Together, we help our children grow happy and smart. Like and share this video. Tell us in the comments, do you help your family with cleaning? And don't forget to subscribe to Grace Daily English for more fun and meaningful stories. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay! I won the game!
Great job. Now let's clean up as a family.
I'll do the sofa.
I'll sort the toys.